goodness, that's not the picture I wanted to show you there anyways. Okay, let's switch this here. Okay. Hey there. In today's video, we're going to look at SimpleQuiz from Mavros Christoforos. Quiz extension for Joomla 4 and Joomla 5. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Watch Me Work live stream number 363 here in the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them. If you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. Today's video is brought to you by our channel sponsor, mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru. Get a free site audit for your Joomla site, and while you're there, check out all the tools and information that will save you time and money managing one or multiple Joomla sites. Sign up, you get your first month free anyways. Use the coupon code BASICJoomla, and I don't know, Phil will be excited to, I don't even think that he checks to see who signs up through me. Anyways, okay, but check it out. It's a really great tool. All right, so listen, each week I try to remember to change the background picture with one of my pictures. This week I'm using someone else's picture. You may have seen this on the news, and this is, something seems to be out of whack for size here. Maybe not. Anyways, you may have seen this on the news here on Vancouver Island. This airplane was retired over the weekend. Let me just get rid of the picture here. This is a Martin Mars bomber. It used to be a troop carrier in World War II, and then forestry companies up here in British Columbia bought 4 of them. And then, I don't know, I think maybe 10 or 15 years ago, a company, Coulson, bought them and used them for fighting forest fires. Of course, they were used to fight forest fires before. I should mention that they were converted to water bombers, the biggest water bombers in the world. Anyways, the last flight was on Sunday. We went up island to a spot just to see it do its final landing. It was far away, but anyways, really cool plane. Lots of stuff online about it. I have a cool video from when both planes were down here fighting a fire. So now, like I said, that is not my picture. So let me just turn on my camera here and bring myself back. And let's turn our attention to the screen, and I will show you the British Columbia Aviation Museum website. That's where I took that picture from. So even though it's not my picture, I figured, it's off of their site, and I'm just going to promote it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place that in chat. bcam.net. Their website crashed on Sunday with all the people trying to get information on the flight and where they were. But anyways, yeah, that's so right now it's in the water. They're gonna get it up out of the water. They have to drag it across. Well, they won't drag it, but move it across land the length of the Victoria Airport. This is Victoria Airport here, and then it's going to be on static display with a whole bunch of other firefighting planes. All right, so yeah, check that out. Let's just take a quick look here. What is their web page? Oh, it's a WordPress site. All right, yeah, they just were flooded with stuff. So, anyways, yeah. All right, SimpleQuiz. We're going to take a look at SimpleQuiz today from Mavros Christoforos. Like I said, let's paste the URL there. It's a for-pay extension. It works in Joomla 4 and 5 apparently. €24.99 euros. And we've looked at some Mavros' stuff, and we thought we would look at it today. All right, extension description. SimpleQuiz is a simple but powerful. Oh, hey to everyone in chat. I see Bjorn and Ivor. Mary is there. Mary almost chose this for a project. She's looking forward to seeing it. Sholin IT Solutions, that's Imran. Hello, Imran, good to see you. Yeah, anybody else who is out there lurking. Just look at my little screen on the side here and see Let's see. Yeah, we got a few people watching. 6 concurrent viewers. I'm one of them. So, all right. SimpleQuiz is a simple but powerful questionnaire generator extension which allows you to create completely customizable quizzes, surveys, questionnaires with results filtered based on scores, or even specific question answers without writing one line of code. All right. Why choose SimpleQuiz? 5 simple question types: text box, checkboxes for multiple answers, radio buttons for selecting one answer, score radio buttons, score range sliders. With these 5 question types, you can create any quiz or survey that you may want, from an IQ test, a personality test, to a user, visitor, client satisfaction survey. But I don't think it does blood tests. With these 5 question types. Okay, yeah, multiple choices with more than one answer, true, false conditions, a bunch of things. We'll get into that. SimpleQuiz has integrated help, which means that help appears as you go. All right. No complex math, no incomprehensible tags. Here's an example question. Did you like our food? 1, yes. 2, yes, but you can do better. 3, so-so. 4, not really. Okay, stores results in a database, produces charts, and also sends email notifications with all the results included after each quiz. It also has the professional features while remaining simple and intuitive. So why not buy it? All right, well, let's check it out. Feature list. I think we just read through a bunch of those there. Yeah, oh, simple anti-spam protection. Many options to select which results to show. Send me a copy feature for your visitors to get the results. Great, probably a great way to collect their email information to be in contact with them. HTML enabled question text results, which also run content plugins, so you can even include videos, anything you want in your questions. Integrated help, intuitive interface, backend quiz and manager. All right, and license details. Yeah, same thing. Unlimited updates for 1 year, 30-day money-back guarantee, unlimited use sites, domains, unlimited DB records. Cool, and that's it. Well, let's go ahead and install it. We're here on the Joomla 5 site, and I'm just going to go to System, Install Extensions. Let me just make sure this window is fitting. I found out yesterday that my window was a little bit too big for what I was selecting there. So hopefully, so I had to resize it just a bit. All right, I already have it downloaded up here. That's not what I want. I want this, and we'll install it. And there we go. And well, as you know, I really like it after you install something, if you can have a button to just go to it. Welcome to SimpleQuiz. Please click New on the top left to start making your first quiz. After saving the quiz, you will add questions to it. All right. What is this quiz? What is this quiz? What are we going to do a quiz on? Let's see. Favorite color. Type. Quiz type. Oh, we're going to do a quiz, a survey, a score, quiz, or a test to compare with friends' answers. Interesting. Survey would almost, yeah, all right. And I spelled color wrong. Let's change this. Math is hard. Let's do a math is hard quiz. All right. Fail percent. The minimum percentage that a user must achieve to pass this quiz. Well, since math is hard, you should get at least 70%. Okay, quiz image. Let's just bomb an image in here that we have. Let's put in some. This will be super big, but we'll see how that handles it. Oops. There we go. Select. Quiz group. All right. So somewhere we could create quiz groups. But we're making our first. So let's just put it in my quizzes for now. I'm sure we'll run into that later. Some notes. This is a note. See where that shows up. Status published. Oh, do you require a login? Now this is a big pain point This is a big pain point for sites to let people take quizzes. If they have to be, excuse me, if the user has to log in to take a quiz, such as in the case of Moodle, you get a lot of people like, oh, I'm not going to log in just to do that. Some of the attraction of having a quiz on your site is just to get people interested. They take it and then they try it. So if they can do it without logging in, that is great. You get them engaged more. So I really like that feature. So we'll leave this at no. Contest starts. Well, we're just going to leave this empty, but of course you can have a start date and an end date. All right. Can the questions be in random order? Let's say yes. How many questions to show? If, for example, you have 10 questions available in this quiz, but only want to randomly show 3 of them each time, you set this field to 3. Oh, I really like these descriptions. This is really good. So, and this is almost like having a question bank, maybe, because you could have 100 and then just show 10 questions randomly out of what is there. Okay. So random question count. Why don't we, okay, let's not do the random order thing yet, but we'll see. Mandatory question count. In a quiz with both mandatory and non-mandatory questions, this number specifies how many of the mandatory questions to include. Requires that the random question count is non-zero. Okay. Leave 0 for random amount. Must be equal or less than the random question count. Oh, okay, I got lost in that, but that's all right. In a quiz with both mandatory and non-mandatory questions, I guess somewhere where we set up the questions, we're going to say whether it's mandatory or not. So let's maybe come back to this. So let's say no to this for now. Quiz timer. Okay. Playing limit. Oh, how often can I do the quiz? Okay. Oh, and there's global settings. Aha, we should look for the global settings. Okay. Maintain user details if the user leaves the page. Whether or not to save the user details in the session. Hey, Michael, how you doing? Here's the quiz. Here's the extension that we're looking at right now, Michael. Maintain user details if user leaves the page. So the user details in the session so that they persist while the user browses to other pages and returns to the quiz. Okay. That's probably in a cookie then, right? All right, let's save this. And now I'm just gonna back out of this, and because we saw that there were options. Oh, look at this! Congratulations, you made your first quiz. Let's go add some questions to it. Oh, this is like oh, that's cool. I like that. Let's go to options here. Name required. If this is yes, once the user successfully finishes a quiz survey, it is required for him or her to write a name. Email required. If this is yes, once a person successfully finishes a quiz survey, it is required from him or her to write an email. Show send my results checkbox. Yes. Questions per page. Okay. And these are all just global settings. Question navigation. Next and previous. Only next. All page links displayed in numbers. Okay. Mandatory question check before next page. Whether or not to check if all mandatory questions of the active page have been answered. Oh, okay. Submit button position. Show only on the last page. Show on all pages. Pre-text position as intro with start button. User details. Field set position. User details at before. Questions are after. Show review answers button. Okay, so they can review answers at the end of the quiz. That's the default. Playing limit. No playing limits. Email settings. Okay, so this is where you put things. Mail from name, and let's put this. I don't know what the email address even is for this install. Let me just check this out because I do want to send a test email. Global configuration server. Admin at J. Okay, that's what we'll do. Just make sure that this works. Yeah, it's sending. Good. Email. Great. Extra field settings. Include extra fields. Yes. Oh, look at this. You can put fields in here. Field name. Type. Required. Position. Placeholder. And we got a little bit of this here. Now I wonder if we close this here. Oh, yeah, we pick up more space. All right, so a little bit awkward here, but that's just because how this page is here. All right, result settings. Save results to database, yes. Purge old results, yes. Whether or not to keep only the last attempt of each user. Oh, so if you do a second test, it gets rid of one. So only one saved per user. Okay, that's cool. Front-end results view, only text results, only charts. Oh, that's both text and chart. I'm going to change the default for this because I want both text results and charts. Chart, JavaScript URL source, Cloudflare, okay. Chart groups. All right, so, okay, and he has an online FAQ for this. This parameter configures how charts appear. Supervisor user group maps. A list of supervisor users, one per line, a map to a comma-generated list of user group IDs that they can see the result of in the, okay, so if so for instance, if let's go back here, we go to users, manage users, administrator. So my ID for here is 785 for this super user. So back here, if I want to I want just like 785. What's it? A list of supervisor users, one per line, a map to a comma separate list of user group IDs that they can see the results of in the supervisor layout. Oh, okay. So one per line, map to. Okay, I think the one would be the user, and then group IDs that they can. Oh, okay. So there's groups of quizzes. So you could let, I think, whoops, you could let user 785 see quizzes in groups 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there must be groups up here. That, oh yeah, we saw there was something for making groups. Okay. All right, so option 2, have people be able to see certain results only for certain groups. Export saved answers, whether or not to include saved answers as incomplete results in export results from the quizzes page, not the results page export, okay? Updater options. This is where you put your username in here for updating the site. NS Pro. Oh, and then NS Pro is his email subscription. Not email, it's this newsletter. Extensions, newsletter, NS Pro. And so I'm hoping to have him on the channel to show this newsletter extension. All right, so he does actually have a display of it here. I like to have him on the channel. All right, so we can hook this up to his newsletter, and I guess integrate NS Pro subscription into the quiz. Okay, so somehow we can link it to that. Okay. Here's groups here. I wonder how. Okay, how do we make these? Oh, down the left-hand side over here. Questions. Oh, I wonder if. We'll see if we can add these. If there's a question bank, I wonder if that works that way. Quiz groups. Here's where you make your quiz groups, and that would allow you to give people access to different groups of quizzes. Okay. And results will show up here. Toolkit. A collection of tools to make SimpleQuiz easier to use. You can export quizzes to XML. You can import. Oh, so you could export them from one site to another by importing them. Do it by group. Oh, you can move your questions. Okay, delete all existing data. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, this is cool. All right. And other quiz extensions. Okay. Nothing there. Maybe he has extensions. All right. All right. Well, let's go back to our quiz here, and we'll just go through these steps. Congratulations, you made your first quiz. Let's go add some questions. Okay. Math is hard. We're gonna make a new question for the quiz. Math is hard. The question type is text. Checkbox, radio button for score quizzes, score radio button, and score range. Okay, so math is hard. Question, text type. Let's do a question, text type. Is this mandatory or not? Okay, so that's where if you have 100 questions, and 5 of them are mandatory, and you randomly select from the 100 questions, you get the 5 that are mandatory and then 5 random ones from the rest. Okay, gives you some control there. Text questions, percentage of similarity between given and correct answer. Okay, so minimum percentage of correctly selected checkboxes to pass. Choose wrong checkboxes, fails the question altogether. Okay, now we're getting into this. You know what's hard besides math? Educational philosophy and testing. It's a different language here. Percentage of similarity between given and correct answer. So I guess if the answer is 4 and you guess 5, it's intolerant, 100%. Do you think that's be 100% tolerant? Well, okay, we'll see. The text type shows a simple text input. The answer is case insensitive by default. Capitals are ignored. Inside your question text, you may include one of the following. Answer box shows a simple text input. Answer text area. Answer box case sensitive. Shows a simple text input that requires a case sensitive answer. Oh, okay. Answer box is simple, just text. Answer text area shows a large text input with multiple lines. Answer box case sensitive shows a simple text input that requires a case sensitive answer. So if the spelling had to be correct, then that would be good. You may write one or more correct answers, comma separated, in the answer box. Escape commas by adding a backslash. You may also write contains text to only check if the answer contains text here and not empty. Oh, great. View examples. I was just thinking, man, wish it'd have some examples here. Which is bigger, an elephant or a mouse? Type your answer below. Answer box. Correct answer. Oh, all right. So let's insert this. Oh, we have some. Okay, so let's do this. Hey, let's insert each of the examples. Which is bigger, an elephant or a mouse? Type your answer below. Answer box. Okay, and down here, the answer is elephant. Hey, let's get a quiz going on the front so we can test this. Michael, you just done the demo site quiz and you're ahead of me. Well, that's because you're faster than me. All right, so what do you have additional? This explanatory text appears below each question after the quiz is taken, and if it is set to show results. You can use it to explain why an answer is correct or what each score means. You may add filters based on the given answer. All right, so for instance, Answer equals elephant. Oh, okay. Okay, so answer equals 3. This text will only show if the answer is 3. Answer. Answer 1. If the answer is greater than 1 or answer is less than 5, this text will only show if if the answer is between 2 and 4. Okay. You got the elephant question wrong. Oh my goodness. All right. So we're doing a text question. And we're going to, okay, I'm just going to put this in here. I'm going to put this example in there. All right. And let's save. And this is where you could maybe put a video or something. You could have answer equals elephant and then reward them with a video of an elephant. Probably. All right. So let's save and close just this one question. And now let's put a quiz on the front so we can start to see how this works. We're just going to put it on the right here. Okay. Okay, so that's going to go menu. We're going to do a new menu item for, which one is this? Oh, let's do it up here. I think this is the blog menu. We'll get it up at the top there. Main menu, blog. I think it goes here. Test quiz. All right. And there's SimpleQuiz. Contest results. Shows the results of a quiz presented as a contest. Oh, okay. Contest. So if we'll do this later. We'll all take the quizzes. Now, if I wonder if once someone has taken a quiz, if you can actually add more questions. List of quiz certificates for this user. Quiz list of quizzes. Results supervisor. Single certificate allows the download of a certificate for a specific quiz. Single quiz allows the user to see and participate in a single quiz. User results. So let's just do the quiz here. Single quiz, and it's going to be options. Math is hard. Question count, inherit from quiz. Total results, real details, enable anti-spam. Okay, so we've got anti-spam questions or CAPTCHA. Okay, I wonder if that would use turnstile. That would be cool. We'll see. Probably uses the CAPTCHA setting from Joomla. All right. User details field set quiz, inherit from quiz, include CSS styling. Okay, and then you've got all your normal stuff here. So let's go save and close. And now we'll go up here and refresh. Here's our test quiz. Which one is bigger, an elephant or a mouse? And we're going to type M-O-U-S-E. Oh, and there's another thing. How many eyes does a typical person have? Where did that come from? Did I just automatically calculate? Okay, how many eyes? Let's say 3. Check results. Oh, field name is wrong anti-spam answer. Okay. Oh, okay. Got some defaults to fix here. Check my results. Field name is required. Wrong anti-spam answer. So I've done something. Womp womp. Okay, let's see. Simple quiz. Quizzes. Math is hard. Oh, look! Congratulations, you added first question. Dog's legs are a robot question. Are you human? Dog's legs are a robot question. Oh, the captures the number of eyes. Oh, okay. Oh, that's the okay. Bot bot. All right. I think we talked about this before in a stream before. Like, this is kind of, if you were watching this and you had lost an eye in an accident, you would not be a typical person. And that would be, I remember us doing this maybe on maybe we looked at one of his before. All right. Field name is required. All right. So I've done something wrong without a field name, but that's C here. Okay. Okay. It's all coming back to me now. That's okay. So this is the question here. Yeah, the Cyclops joke. That's right. That's all coming back to me now. Man, that's more than a year ago. All right, so what? These are questions. Hey, you know what? So it says. Okay, so I'm viewing questions. I just assigned that question to the Math is Hard quiz. I wonder if you can assign other questions, this question to other quizzes too. Wow, that would be cool. All right, so let's edit this. Okay. All right, so you set the field on an option. You set the field in an option. Answer box. Which one is bigger than elephant? Type it. Okay. Help me out, everyone. You set the field on an option. Where do I set that? System. Okay, hold on for a sec here. Talk me through this. Did I do that in options? No. Have the quiz. Math is hard. In the option for the questions, I'm just a little bit behind Bjorn. Or just okay. I'm going to leave this here. No, not here. In the question. Oh. Under options up here, you're saying. Basic. Extra fields. Oh, here we go. Yeah, include extra fields. I didn't give it a name. Here. Okay. So we won't. Oh, got you. All right. Thank you. So we say no to that. Okay. Let's go back to our test quiz here. All right. Refresh. Mouse. The answer's mouse. How many legs? Oh, yeah. We've seen this before. How many legs? Because we said right after that. Oh, now we're just mocking three-legged dogs. Okay. A typical dog has four legs. Check your results. There we go. Your answer. The result is your answer was mouse. The result was you are not the father. That could be the right result for someone. All right. Great. Let's take that quiz again. What your answer below? Which one is bigger? An elephant. Now I'm going to misspell this. E-L-E-F-A-N-T. Typical person has 2 eyes. Check results. Wrong. Now why don't we just go back here just to play around. System. SimpleQuiz. Quizzes. I think somewhere. Yeah, it needs some CSS, but it will pick it up from the template as well. So it's nice that it's super raw. Yeah. Oh, did I write Norwegian? Is elephant spelled with an F? Fail percent 70. Okay. Group quiz. Quiz text. Oh, really? Wow. Here's failed text. Oh, here's text here if you fail after the quiz. Yes, Imran. Imran with Imran, because Imran, you're not going to see this for a couple minutes. But when you lost connection, you fell behind in the stream, which is fine. But if you want to be watching real time, do the slider on YouTube, get up to the front, and you'll catch up for those couple minutes that you missed. All right. When we were sitting by the side of the ocean waiting for that plane to land, I was watching someone live streaming where its position was, and every time I'd go to something else on my phone and come back, I had to take the live stream and slide it all the way to the right because it would just pause and pick up where I was. Okay, so somewhere there was a percentage. Yeah, even if he refreshes the browser, it will just refresh him back to his last point. You have to, if you refresh, then you have to still grab the slider and push it to live. All right, so I don't think it was that. It was the actual questions. And in here, I think, tolerance, there we go. So if I change this to 0, just as a radical thing, go back here and refresh, and I type ELEFANT. How many eyes does a typical person have? 2. Uh-oh. Oh, we got correct. Your answer below, elephant, was correct. But we've got something that was not quite right up here. Something deprecated. Which is fine, because I think Christopher watches these, so he'll see this and fix it. And deprecated, warning and deprecated, we don't have to worry about because it's going to be something in the future version. But something probably in the calculation of how close it was to the string. But that's all right. If I turned off error reporting, that would not be there. And for those that you are somewhat new to Joomla, let's just do this. Duplicate that tab, close, home dashboard, global configuration, server, error reporting system default. Let's just go none. And we will end up back here and we can do the same thing again. Elephant, typical dog has 4 legs. And there you go. Which one is bigger, an elephant or a mouse? Hey, let's just play around for a second with the tolerance. Let's say the tolerance is 80%. I wonder if elephant will pass. Your ELEFANT. Legs on a dog. 4. Check results. Okay, that's not 80%. One more and then we'll stop playing with that. What if it's 50? Well, you know what? Let's see. Let's just see. Elephant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you got 6 out of 10, that would be 60%. Right? If you got 1, 2. Oh, but then who knows how they figured it out? No, the overall pass rate here. This is tolerance is the percentage of similarity between the given and correct answer. Minimum percentage of correctly selected checkboxes to pass. Choose wrong checkboxes fails the question altogether. Okay, that's why I just thought that, you know, if we set it to, okay, let's just do 10. Let's just do, actually just do 5. Or we'll just do 1. All right. Elephant. Oops. Elephant. ELEFANT. And legs on a dog are 4. No. All right. So it's not somehow calculating that. Okay. Then, yeah, so I think, I don't know, yeah, Michael, it might be pass rate for multiple checkboxes, minimum percentage. Oh, text question, percentage of similarity between given and correct answers. All right. So it's not close enough for that spelling. All right, minimum. So there's something calculating in there. Okay, Imran says he's in real time now. The ISP owner was a government supporter and fled. Someone else just running the business. Oh, okay. Things will be okay. Graduating. The police returns to the station from yesterday. If you have 10 check boxes, Ivor says 5 of these are correct. You need to have at least so many of the correct ones. Yeah, for check boxes. But it says here text questions. And of course, we're looking at what here? Oh, this is actually, yeah, and this is a setting. Oh, not for the question. This is a setting for the quiz, I think. Quiz. All right. For those of you who are wondering what Imran is talking about, he's in Bangladesh, and they've just gone through, I guess, I don't know what, yeah, Imran, you can use the word as a revolution or whatever. But so what he's saying is that the owner of the his internet service provider was a government supporter, so they fled. So someone else is running the business, and that's why he's having some problems with it. Okay. All right, so that's okay. We've kind of, I've kind of been distracted by this here. So, okay. So this is a question here, yeah, and the tolerance is how many of the answers are right in number if there's text questions. All right, let's add another example to this. Do we insert? Oh, okay, and this replaces everything there. Ah, one question per thing. All right, so that's refresh, which is bigger than elephant or mouse. Tolerance, we'll just leave that at 100, I guess, because that's not a multiple. Okay, that's for text questions. I don't know. We'll move on. And the answer, this text will show if the user answers elephant. So we go back here, we go refresh, we go elephant. ELEPHANT. How many eyes does the person have? Check results. Correct. And here it is. Your answer, elephant. And it says, this text will show if the user writes elephant. And as we said before, we could actually do this. If we go to additional, we could actually, let's pretend this is a picture of an elephant here. What we will do is we will go and we will insert media, and we'll put the red picture in here. Insert that, save, and now when we go back here, elephant will answer it correctly. Eyes the person have. We will go check my results, and then we see this picture. So that could be a video, it could be anything. Okay, Imran says it's matching text, calculating percentage of correctness. If it uses 50% spelling mistakes, we'll accept. Yes, but even when we changed it to 1%, it wasn't doing that. But I think that's how I think that's what it is too, Imran. But all right, well, let's add another question. Okay, we're gonna go save and close. Oh, we could have gone save and new. And we're going to do, this question is for what? Math is hard? Sure. Question type, let's go a checkbox. All right. And checkbox type, oh, view examples. All right, let's do this here. Let's insert the example. We won't bother with the additional text that shows up here. Apple, orange, fox, pig. Now, this means we have to have everything right with the tolerance for this question, for checking it right. So, which of the following are fruits? So, we could say they just have to be 50% and just get one of them, but we'll leave that there. All right, save and close, because I want to see this. Interesting. Answer. Oh, here. Okay, here we see. Oh, look at here. Here's answer. One or which is bigger, elephant or mouse? There's the answer. Have a look at the demo quiz to get an idea of layout. There's a demo quiz. Is that a menu item? Or is that on the website? Probably on the website, right? Online demo. Okay. Wow, I didn't see that button. Oh, that's NS Pro. My mistake. Joomla extensions. SimpleQuiz. Online demo. There we go. Welcome to SimpleQuiz. Here's the quiz. The SimpleQuiz. Test your knowledge. Sample survey. Score quiz. Test your speed. Do you like this website? Oh, look at them all here. Wow. All right. All right. So here's simple survey. Start now. We participate in our interactive survey. Great. Start now. On a rate of 10, how do you rate your experience with Joomla? I'm going to go next. Rate your experience with WordPress. Yeah, okay. I'm just going to give it a 5. How could we improve our service? Okay. Oh, and there's, okay. Oh, all right. That's your survey. You collect the person's information and submit. And, of course, that's not going to work because I don't have this here and something's required. All right. Great. Now, score quiz. Simple survey. Simple quiz. Start now. Which of the following is an animal? The tiger is. What is bigger, an elephant or a mouse? We know the answer to this. Okay. Elephant. Next. Which is the tallest mountain? Okay, that's radio buttons. Which of the following are fruits? Okay, apples, oranges. That's a checkbox. How many eyes does a typical person have? 2. Oh, and there you go. And there's the results. A tiger, yeah. Elephant. Mount Everest is correct. And you can check them. Okay. Alrighty. Well, let's go and look at some other ones here. Score quiz. Excuse me. What is your usual mood when you wake up? Yeah, I don't feel like getting up for bed. Although that's changing. What's my favorite subject at school? Art. Please rate your pain level. Oh, okay. So this is a score quiz. And you can submit your stuff. Michael's favorite time is going home. Yeah, they didn't have recess on that list. Score quiz, math timer quiz. Okay, start now. 1 minute. How much is 8 times 8? I believe that's 64. Yeah, right. Yes. How many faces in a hexahedron? Hex would be 10. How much is 1 plus 0 times 8? 1 plus 0. Oh, I forget what you do here. Do you add first and then multiply? 1 plus 0, yeah, 1 plus 0 times 8. Yeah, okay. It is 8, but I'm not going to do this. Oh, I'm right. Let's see what happens if we run out of time. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh, no, there's no way to close this. Wrong anti. Oh, okay, so if they want to see the results, they have to, and this is set up for that. Okay. So let's refresh. Now, down the demo menus here, quick survey. Do you enjoy this website? Yes. That was a quick survey. Okay, language certificate. Oh boy. I don't know why this is in a different language, but let's go next. Oh, okay. I don't know what that is. Oh, and then here's the results of people who have taken this. The results, contest result. Oh, back to school. Maybe there's a back to school survey or something. Okay. My results. SimpleQuiz, 4 out of 4. Quick survey, 0 out of 1. So I did do the SimpleQuiz. I remembered that. The other ones, oh, I think I finished that because it didn't ask for my name. So the other ones needed me to enter my name for the results. Okay. Module demo. Do you like this survey? This one question survey is also included in our module demo. Start now. Okay. Don't know what that did. Supervisor access. Log in to write, use demo. Okay. Yes, German. Okay. I thought maybe that was. All right. Well, there's the different types. Now I'm fascinated to see more of, let's see here. Let's close that, that, and that. Because earlier, it said something, congratulations, you've added something. So here's answer, which is in the quiz, math is hard. Math is hard. So these are questions. All right. Now, if I go to quizzes. See here. Oh, here it shows there's 2 questions. Math is hard, quiz, questions 2. If I hit plus. Oh, it opens up those questions. Okay. Now, if I view the list of questions here, I wonder if I can add them to other. I wonder if I can add them to, no, if I duplicate this, it's still in the math is hard. But I could make a new quiz, a new quiz. I could make a second quiz. All right. And somewhere it would be nice to, let's see, get rid of the CAPTCHA. Maybe that is the maybe we do that just in the defaults there. All right, we do second quiz, save and close. Second quiz. Now watch. Oh, watch questions. Here's what I was thinking. Look, questions. It says 0. If I hit plus, oh, this is where you add a new question. All right. All right. So I have a copy down here. If I open this, I can move it to the quiz, second quiz. Save and close. And then when I go, all right, so that's how you can move. I was just thinking, yeah, if there was a, Imran says, any way to add this to an article? Hello, Ak-I the New. Good to see you. I know you've been on the stream before, and I can't remember where you're from and your name, which is fine. You don't have to give your name, but Yeah, so what would be awesome is that if there was a question bank where you had all your questions and you could add them to different quizzes, that would be cool. All right. Now, we've got those two questions on the one test quiz. So let's go to test quiz. Which is bigger? An elephant is bigger. No, you don't have to be sorry. I just thought that I knew your name from another time that you were on because I recognize your YouTube name, unless I'm totally off. So, Davey from Inverness. Welcome. Apple and orange. And then the dog has 4 legs. Check results. And here's our answer to the quiz. So this was nice too. Some quiz programs that is if you create a test, as soon as, like in Moodle, as soon as someone takes that test or that quiz once, you can't add questions to it because it throws things off. But this is a little bit more friendlier for people to be for just using with people. Yeah. All right. Well, a quiz bank, a question bank would be cool because you could then modify a question across all. But if we export quiz results, okay, so I'm going to download here, delete to there, open to here. I don't know. Oh yeah, you'll be able to see this. And quiz results. The quiz. There it is. Quiz, user status, question 1, question 2, extra fields. Math is hard. Visitor submitted elephant. Math is hard. Visitor submitted elephant. 1. Quiz, user set, extra fields. That's the only one that's remembered. Yeah, import CSV data tab. Import CSV data tab. Let's see here. Import CSV. Where's the data tab? Could you insert the quiz in a blog post? Yes, I think you could, Imran. I think you could do that with the module. So we'll look at the module that he's got. I think he said that. But and toolkit, import export tools. So export the quizzes. So we could export the math is hard quiz. Include options, include ID group, export questions, export results. So you could export the questions and import them. Oh, maybe that'd be a way of duplicating them too. Okay. And then, of course, as Bjorn's mentioned, data tab creates columns. You could. Oh, is this for opening it? Import CSV. Ah, I got you. You're telling me about how. All right. So I think what Bjorn is saying is that we can import into Excel. Right. Okay. We can import into Excel, and these will turn out into be fields, which is cool because since these are questions, you could actually if you okay, let's try this here. Math is hard. That's what we have 2 questions in. Export options. Include IDs. No. Include ID group, no. Export questions, yes. Results, no. And then we're going to export the XML. All right. Now, I wonder what will open if I do this. Oh, okay. Here's the XML opened in, oh, what is this? This is Visual Studio Code. All right. Here's your questions. All right. So you could actually duplicate these questions. All right. And you could create it all and import it. Yeah. But here, so here we have XML. Here's your checkbox. Okay. I'm going to show in folder. And I'm going to go open with, I don't think we can open this with Excel. So you'd open it with something. But what happens if we, import these questions to my quizzes, choose that file, open, import questions, yes, import results, no, delete all existing data, no. Oh, created one new quiz. There's a math is hard quiz duplicated. Import it from data tab. All right, in Excel. Data. Got it. Okay, data. From text CSV. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yep. All right. From there, we can go delete. We can import quiz results. Column 1. Oh. Comma. No. It looks like the delimiter here is a semicolon. There we go. Transform data. Oh, okay. And there we've got that there. Yep. All right. Well, that's cool. Well, I'm learning stuff about Excel today. And that is there. So you could actually populate these quizzes. Math is hard. Visit. Now, these are just the results, though. Discard. So if we go back to here and go to Toolkit, and we can export the quizzes to XML, but we could just export the questions. And then you could put them into a different, you could make a new quiz. Okay. Some tools to play around with to try to find a way. Okay, now Emma's question, could you put this in a module? In an article. Let's do this. Let's go System, Site Modules. I don't think that this is this, do we see the whole? You just look here. Yeah, see the bottom of the screen has dropped off, I think. No. I'm just watching myself live on another screen here. There's a little bit of a delay. Oh, okay. Here's SimpleQuiz module. So, SimpleQuiz 1, we'll call that. Layout to show the quiz list. Specific quiz, yes. We'll leave it. We're going to publish Select the quiz. Well, we got a couple of math is hards. Okay. Show question count. Your options here. Okay. We're going to go save and close. And now we will go to content and articles. embed quiz and article. We're going to go here, CMS, module, SimpleQuiz, center, save, and now we will preview that. Embedded quiz and article. Where's the quiz? Maybe I selected the wrong one. Let's go back here. System, site. Oh, site module, SimpleQuiz. Maybe I should do this other math is hard quiz. Oh, it showed up. No. Okay. Oh, menu payment. Even if you're inserting it this method, you have to say on all pages. There you go, Imran. Yes, you can. It's interesting because you get thinking that you create a module. If you assign it to a module position, then you control where it goes. But if you don't have a module position and it's only ever going to be embedded in articles, you think, oh, well, it'll just show up where I want, any place I put it. But you still have to say which pages. So in that case, all works fine. Which one is bigger? It's an elephant. Next, apple, orange. Typical dog has 4 legs. Check results. And now it jumped to show here. Now, it jumped, this is, I have a lot of modules. I haven't just applied only to this particular one. And in fact, you can see from the URL up there, because I don't have any, I haven't assigned this to a category. So therefore, the SEF URLs aren't working there. Emmer says, now you can use it to improve SEO by engagement of visitors. Yes. Yeah. And that goes to the next article. And something we looked at before. Okay, so now if we close, go to components, SimpleQuiz, go to options. Here's where we can turn off SEO. It's not turn off SEO. Turn off CAPTCHA. Where was that? Name required, email, show questions between. There we can change questions per page. So let's do 2. Okay. Okay. Where was the SEO? Was not SEO. Where was the CAPTCHA settings? Was it in the quiz? Oh, enable anti-spam questions. No. All right. Now we can go back to here. And now both those questions are on the same page. We're still getting asked legs on a dog. Oh, please note that this option may be overwritten by the menu item or module options. I'm going to get spammed by Cyclops now, yeah. Bye-bye, Imran. Have a great day. Have a good sleep. Oh, enable anti-spam. Inherit from quiz. All right. Inherit from quiz, yeah. All right, so like the quiz turns it off there. But there's also the menu item. So that so I have to thank Mary. A long time ago, or some time ago, she sent me a message about the voting plugin in Joomla. She says, I was days old when I learned this. And I had seen it before. I never used it, but it was like a long time. So I thought, well, I'm going to do that video, just a quick video for Maintenance Monday. And that's the one that took me 3 weeks to do because it got into so many complications of when and where different the global configuration for showing voting or whatever is over. And one of the things that really tripped me up was that I was doing it on the sample data, and there's sometimes different menu items pointing to the same thing. So yeah, but after I was all done that, because I 3 Mondays ago I just got tired, I gave up. 2 Mondays ago I thought, okay, I've got this figured out, and then I ran into a bunch of things. Oh, I gave up. Got tired because I was doing it late at night. And then this Monday again, I ran into another setting. So that I didn't realize after I was going through to record it. So I thought, oh, I can't give up anymore, or else I'll never get this done. It was a real log jam in my brain making videos up for other things. So I just thought I'm just going to grind through it. So you know what? For a change, what I did was I recorded a section of the video. When that one was good, I stopped, saved it, and then I did the next section and the next section. So it was, I mean, I think that video is like 10 minutes long, 11 minutes long. I bet you in all the efforts to do it, I bet you have got 4, 12. I'm going to have close to 20 hours making that video. And then after I made the video, I thought, oh, I meant to give a shout out to Mary for that idea. So, and I didn't. And on top of it, as you, I didn't have my studio lights up full brightness. So, and the shirt that I had on just kept getting blurred white. It was flashing that, but it's like, yeah, that was one of my, that was of all times, that was one of the roughest videos I ever had a time making. Bjorn says 11 and 25, you think, or so. What's 11 or 25 refer to? Now, save and close. Now, let's go to this menu item. Main menu. No, main menu blog. Test quiz. Oh, the video length. Oh, yes, thanks. Yeah, 11 minutes, 25 seconds. Yeah, that was... Anyways, I was happy to get it out. Options. So, whether or not to enable anti-spam. And, okay, inherit from quiz. Okay. Yeah, we've got that. Here's the quiz, which is quiz number 1. Enable anti-spam? No. So it should be... Oh, there we go. Must have been caching. All right. Elephant, apple, orange. Check my results. Okay, so it must have been caching where I was looking before. And I think this is where... let's just check. Quiz, mobile. Let's close. Content, articles. Embed a quiz in article. Preview. There it is. Oh, but hey, look at that. That is still showing. I wonder why that module. Oh, I know why. Because we loaded module 133, but that module 133 is the quiz that it's selecting is math is hard, but it should be this math is hard, I think. Let's try. Okay. Well, you know what? I think that this is a really cool extension for, and we haven't set up or activated putting in user information. Let's do one. Let's do that. Let's set it so that user information is required to get this sent for this first quiz here. All right, so let's go to components, simple quiz, quizzes. Math is hard. Let's get rid of the second one because it's confusing. Trash it. Let's go to math is hard. All right. Quiz texts. Yeah, before, after. Let's see. This is before the quiz. This is after. You know, having the full editor here, the editor that you're using, I assume that JCE editor will just show up in here. Having the full editor is really nice because some extensions might have just put a text field just to type a few things, but here you could put, man, you could do whatever that you would put in a Joomla article in these things. You could embed, as we've seen, insert modules, you could show ads, you could put videos, you could put all kinds of stuff. It's really nice. And, oh, look over here. The complete text appears when the user passes the quiz successfully. If this is a survey or a score quiz, this text is always shown the computer completes the quiz. So this is after taking the quiz. And you can put in name. Oh, you can say, hey, Tim, thanks for oh, this appears in... You can filter this text in many ways. Oh, writes the user's name, email address. Okay, so hey, Tim, thanks for blah, 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 blah. Percent. Oh, and then you can, and you can even have things show based on percent that they get on a quiz. Nice. So you have general filters, displaying names, and then okay, so you've got, that's really cool. You've got a little bit of math that you can do in here for these filters, open and tag. So percent writes the percentage of correct questions. Percent with some alpha numerical stuff in there acts as a filter. Oh, cool. Quiz layout. Okay, now we want to see, I wanted to find the thing here that requires, email. All right, so let's just put in my address there. Ask for user details, yes. Always send results to user. Yes. Send email only when all answers are correct. Okay, let's try that. Let's just do it from our quiz page here. Start now. Elephant, apple, orange, user details. Tim and tim@cybersalt.com. All right, check my results. Now off screen, let me just check my email. And here's my email. Okay, your result is 2 out of 2. Oh, this after the quiz, after you take the quiz. That's that text I typed in. So you can say, here are the results of your quiz. Da, 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 and you send it to them. Ah, great. And then, of course, this is where you could put some other links and promote things. So they could even take it free. But if they have it sent to them, then you could email them. Nice. Now, let's go into the close. Let's go into quizzes and results. Ah, look, Tim at cybersalt.com took the math is hard, got 2 out of 2, and this is okay. And now we can export. Now we go here. We'll just go results. We're going to open this. Now we could use Bjorn's trick here. Okay, yeah, let's do that. Data. We'll just import another one here. Delete. Results. Import. Delimiter. Delimiter is a semicolon. Is it comma? It's not colon. Is it a space? No. You would definitely switch the caption. Oh, yes, I think so. Yeah, I would. I just got tired of counting eyes and legs. But if this uses, yeah, register for certificate, smart way to get a sneaky commercial. Yeah, we should look at those other things there. Let's see here. So what is the dilemma? It's right back here. Math is hard. Questions. Custom. Is it a line break? No. Is it a paragraph? No. Anyways. Oh, you think I should just load it? All right, let's go here. Control Z. Data. Load from there. Load from delete. Results. Import. Load. Results from SimpleQuiz C. Results for user ID. Elephant correct. No, it's not. It's not quite results for user ID. Anyways, that could be figured out. Hey, look at this. We can make this pretty. Oh, wow. Let's see. Let's get rid of these. Okay. Now, let's go to the menus. We'll do the... let's go to make a... Let's go to menu blog. We'll go new. And we're going to of the type. Let's go for a certificate. SimpleQuiz. Quiz certificates. A list of certificates for this user. Ah, that other math is hard still shows even though it's trashed. Interesting. Go to here. Go to home and refresh. Certificate. I haven't completed this quiz. Hey, I wonder if I'm logged in. Let's log in here. Elephant. Oh, there's my name and email results there. Okay. Good. Apple, orange. Check my results. Good. I want to see a certificate for this. Oh. Okay, what have I done wrong here? Options, single certificate, options. Math is hard. You must create it for the quiz? Oh, okay. Well, let's try that then. I'm just going to delete this one. All right, so math is hard. There we go. Certificate. Oh, there you go. Say yes. Warning, TCPDF not found. Download and install this library. All right. Oh, from Llewellyn. It says for Joomla 4, but I think that's going to work in Joomla 5. So let's do this. Llewellyn, I know him. He is in Namibia. Let's get rid of some of these extra things we have here. Close, system, manage, install extensions. Ah, that's 16 megabytes. I wonder why it's taking so long. Just while we're doing that, let me just go to here, Control H, YouTube. Just while we're thinking here, a long time ago, July 31st, 2003. Both of those water bombers. I'm just going to paste this in chat. You don't watch it now. Watch it later. But both of those water bombers were down here just southern Vancouver Island. This is just, you'll see actually the first bit of footage I shot from my, from inside my house. This is from in my living room. Both were down fighting. Anyways, I uploaded this the other day, this video. Already has 5,100 views. I uploaded it on Sunday. So, crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. In fact, that's on my, let's see here. Let's just go to, just for fun while that's uploading. I'm just curious here. If I go to analytics, no, I don't want to do that. Really? Something, this must be the wrong account here. Maybe it's on this one here. Yeah, there we go. Check out the analytics on my channel here. You know, humming along, just 35 views, different things being seen, and then wham, 3,000 in a day. My watch time hours, which is pretty cool. So if I go up here and look in the last 365 days, that's quite a view. It's jumped up to a lot. Anyways, that's a cool video. All right, so the upload is done here. We'll refresh. Certificate, yes. Now, so you would have to create a template, create an image, which is a certificate. There are none here. Oh, so why don't we just do this? Let's go to ChatGPT. Going to go to Canva. You think it's a PDF file that has to be uploaded? Oh yeah, choose a one-page PDF file to use base for quiz. Oh, thank you, Bjorn. It's good that you guys are here to read things for me. All right, so let's see. I need an. Let's do this in ChatGPT. I need a demo. One-page demo. One-page PDF. Which is going to be used as a I need a one-page PDF that is going to be used as a template for a certificate given for passing a quiz. Dimensions of the page should be A4. Michael, have a great evening. Thanks for tuning in today. Watch out for the Cyclops. Oh, A4. All right, it's going to make one. Could you please provide the following details to include in the template? Just create just create those details and I will use them. All right, so here we go. That's nice that it asks all that. So we could put our we'll see how this goes. Okay, here we go. Here's the certificate. We're going to download the file certificate template A4. Let's see how this works. We're going to select. We're going to upload that. Select that. Okay, and what personal information? Oh, and then you can go A4, X. Filled in name, position. Let's go 100. Let's just see how easy this is. All right, save. So we got the certificate there. So this would take a little bit of setting up, but let's go here, refresh, certificate. It says I haven't completed this quiz yet, but now let's complete it now that there is a certificate. Elephant, orange, check my results. Oh, there we go, download the certificate. Math is hard certificate, save. Open it up. Oh, I almost got it in there. There's name, administrator. Now, so that means that we could go back to the extension here. We could change the font size to 16. We could change the font to Courier Bold. And we could put the, what if the X horizontal vertical? Let's put it up at 90, see if we get it up a little bit. And in the other preview there, where was it? 90, we want it a little bit centered. See, now here's the thing. When you're doing your template for these certificates, see it says signature, authorized person's name. You could actually create a graphic here, save it as a PDF, have most of this stuff here already. Oh, look at pick quiz on Joomla basics. Okay, most of this stuff already in there, and then you only have to line up a few things. All right, 90. Save that. Let's go to certificate. Okay, download certificate. Let's do it again. Now, that didn't move the name at all. I wonder, is that because I didn't, or maybe it creates the certificate and stores it. Aha. Maybe that certificate's being stored somewhere. Let's go here, close. Questions, quiz, groups, results. All right. Nothing changed for me changing the certificate, but components, SimpleQuiz, quizzes, math is hard, certificate, text alignment, text alignment, let's just change that to 0. So somewhere Let's put in the email address at 0 and 0. Save. Refresh. Download certificate. Save. Unless I am, no, that's the same, that's the third version. Somewhere that quiz is not getting the changes. I want that questionnaire. Almost like I'm wondering if it's stored somewhere with my profile. Okay, let's try this. Let's go to the home page. Log out. Let's go to the quiz. Elephant. And those two. Check results. Download certificate. Alright, forgot to turn that off. Oh my goodness. Let me just put that off, as the yellow page is calling me to lie to me about their special relationship with Google. Ugh. Anyways, okay, so download certificate. This is going to be 4. I click on here. No, of course, and there was no name in there. Oh my goodness. All right. Let's do this again. Let's refresh. Start now. Elephant, orange, Tim. Tim, check my results. Download certificate. Save. Okay. So that's, okay. So it did change. So that's 0. That's Tim at cybersalt.com. Email, that was 00. And this one was 90, which, if we look, is actually up a bit. So this one I had 0 and 90, right? Let's go to quizzes, certificate. So I had name at 0 and 90, and this is 0 and 0. So these must get stored somewhere. Let's take a look at that. Let's see if that's what the case is. Let me just get into the cPanel here. Off screen. Remember the password in my head. No, I didn't do it right. I don't allow myself to talk while I'm typing that in, because I'm afraid I'll talk out loud and say my password. So this is basic Joomla. All right, here we go. Go to File Manager. This is Joomla 5, J5 Core. Let's search for PDF. See if they're stored anywhere. And in fact, oh, here we go. This is so... so there's J3 Core, public. Oh my goodness. This is, yeah, I do not know what, after all these years, cPanel is such a great company, and this is such a horrible, horrible thing here. Oh, there you go. Let's see. J4, it's in Media, SimpleQuiz certificates. Close. J4 Media, JQuiz jump SimpleQuiz, sorry, down here. Certificates. Ah, and there they are. So if I view this, it will, okay, so that's the first one I did. Okay, so it's remembering. So if I do this, let's just delete those two. And now let's go back to here. I should just add this. I should just add these to my collection of tabs here. All right, so now I can go here to the Math is Hard quiz here and filled in email address. So let's just put the X position. Let's just do that. This is 50 and 50. All right. And the courier bold, let's just do this as, let's do this as 30. X was like way over and it's up a little bit. So let's move this, change this to 40. And let's change this to 85 just to see what we get. And I go save. Now we go to the quiz. We will download certificate is going to be a broken link. Yeah. So now we're going to refresh, start the quiz, elephant, apple, orange, Tim at cybersalt.com. Check my results. Download the certificate. Math is Hard 6. We download it. We open it. Oh, sorry, I got my chat box covered up here. Ah, look at that. So that was, all right. So that made bigger. All right. So you can do this. Just a little bit of fiddling and trying. Tim, right now. I wonder if am I getting emails with the certificate? No, I'm not. But I wonder if that's an option. This is a really nice extension. I like Christopher's stuff too, or Mavros' stuff. Okay, but anyway, so you could fiddle around with this. It'd be a bit fiddly. And of course, oh, and the name is not necessarily going to be, the name is not necessarily going to be centered based on the person's name. And of course, this is what ChatGPT gave me. So I almost think maybe you could, yeah. So anyways, you would kind of work with this. If it was a long name, it wouldn't be filtered. It'd be very good. But you wouldn't be centered. But you could have your certificate saying a bunch of things. The under name does da 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 da, and then you could just put the name and the whatever at the bottom. Somehow make it so that's only left aligned would still look good, maybe. Oh yeah, you could do that down there. You could put down in the bottom left. It could be like name, email address, date taken, score, and then you could put some kind of seal here, and then it would almost look like it was set up like that instead of just being lazy because you couldn't center every single thing. Bjorn says if you create it as an image, you can see the XY position of the page. Yes, you could do that too. And then save as a PDF. Exactly. Yep. That would allow you to pick things too. And as we see here, it is the position is in millimeters. Oh boy, yeah. So you would almost have to print it out. Oh, and you can change the number there. All right. Well, I'm just working on not sneezing. Yeah. All right. Well, that's cool. Is there anything else we haven't looked at? Let's look at menu items here. All menu items. Main blog menu. Let's go new. SimpleQuiz contest results. Okay, this shows, oh, okay, contest results. So you can put the latest contest finished, automatic, currently active contest, manual, use quiz ID. We'll go the latest. Show while active, yes. Users place, yeah. Amount of results to show. Save. Oh, the contest results are not available at the moment. Maybe it's because we turned that off. All right, let's go into here. Quiz. Let's see. No. Of course, if it's showing results with people's email addresses on there, you might not necessarily want that. Excuse me. And maybe it's in options. Name required, show. All right, so this is where you require their name, yeah. Well. Front end results view. Okay. Oh, Bjorn's got paper sizes. .io. Let's see what that shows. An A4 piece of paper measures 210 by 297 millimeters. Okay. Great, so you could map it out that way. You could do it on a grid of 210 by 297. Nice. So why, let's close this, let's close that, and that. Why is contesters not available at the moment? Please try back. Select options. Let's show the results for quiz ID 1. There we go. So Tim administrator Tim administrator Tim anonymous. All right. Well, that's fun. And it didn't put the email address. Oh, and Ivor pasted something and retracted it. All right. Any other menu items? Let's just change the menu item here. Simple quiz. We've got contest results, quiz certificates. I'm just not going to change the text there. All right. So I can get, these are all the certificates I can download for this user. Great. A list of quizzes available. There we go. And that's using just the description. Okay. And this won't show because I'm not logged in. Please verify that you are logged in. Okay. Well, let's make this work here. Let's log in to here. J5. Log in. No users found for supervisor. So I think to do this, we go into components. First of all, we see the user, manage. My user number here is 785. I know that should remember that from before. Components 785. Simple quiz. Quizzes. Options. (785) can supervise user group. A list of supervisor users. A list of supervisor users, one per line, mapped to a comma separated list of user group IDs that they can see the results of. This is so is it by name? Let's select administrator. Paste that. Save. No. I'm logged in. A list of supervisor users, one per line, mapped to a comma. Let's go to his demo here. He has an online demo. Demo and demo. Log into admin. Demo and demo. Never for the site. Simple quiz. Questions. Oh, it doesn't have options available up here. So we can't change the options. Let's preview this here. List first, then users. Oh, okay. That could be it. I think, yeah, I think you're probably right. Yeah, because it says a list of supervisor users, one per line, mapped to a comma-separated list of user group IDs that they can see. Ah, you're right. Why is, where did my number go? So, oh, because I changed it. Duh. Okay, so group 1, 785. Oh, I gotta find the page again. No, not that. Oh, wait. Not that. I don't need that. No users found for supervisor. No users found for supervisor administrator. Ah. No users found for supervisor administrator. List first, then users. Yeah, and I think that's what it got, doesn't it? The list. If we go to quiz, components, SimpleQuiz, quizzes, ID 1. I can't supervise myself. But there are, I did use another address in there. Excuse me. No users found. Verify that you were logged in. No users found for supervisor. Huh. Online demo. What should it look like? Demo. No results found for any of your supervised users. Okay. Components. Components, quiz, SimpleQuiz, quiz groups, my quizzes. Not that. Results. So these are the results you should be able to see. And there's tim@cybersalt.com. That's different than the administrator one I'm logged in as. So there are things there. Let's go to his support. for SimpleQuiz. Yeah, you think maybe it only works for Joomla users? Well, let's try that. Let's just search in here for supervisor. All right. Funny. Oh, can someone explain how the result supervisor menu item works? Also, any tips on assigning a quiz supervisor? Is there any documentation? To begin with, you have to configure the supervisor user group map options, which can be found in component options, buttons, yeah, results. So if I have two supervisors with users ID 40 and 41 respectively, and quiz takers belong to a group with ID 5, I would write something like this: 40 equals 1. All right, ID in that. So options. So user 785, that's the user ID, equals 1. Now let's do it for both quizzes, but okay, 2. After configuring your supervisors, creating the results supervisor menu item will allow users with ID 40 and 41 to receive the results of users in the respective user groups. But that's not quite working. Let's take Ivor's suggestion and log out, and that's, oh, I have this set so you can't create users. Let's just go into here, menu. I know I got a lot of stuff open up here. Users, manage, add a new user, Tim Davis, Tim at cyberassault.com, Bitwarden, generate a password, Control V, Tim at cyberassault.com. Oh, login username. Save. Now we'll go to the page here. Let's close that. And log in. Let's start now. Elephant. Check my results. Okay. Download my certificate. Yeah, that's good. All right, now we'll log out. We'll log into J5 here. We'll go to this, just link this just does it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it is registered users. You're right, Ivor. Oh. And then this didn't quite work. All right. Something, let's see. Count argument number 1. Okay, so But that was the fix there. You have to change the 785 user. Well, what would I change it to? Are you talking? Oh, change it to the. I think administrator is 785. So that's what I want, and that's why it's working. We just have. No, that would make the new user someone who can view quizzes. So I wanted to make the administrator account that. So that's working, but it's just the results are not quite right here. I'll leave that open and send a quick note. All right. Let's change the certificate link next to something. We looked at SimpleQuiz. We looked at results, single certificate, single quiz. Excuse me. Let's just go user results. We won't even bother changing the text there. Something is up with the results here. Yeah, take the EN out from the address bar. I thought about that, but it just keeps going back in. The problem here is page can't be found, but if this goes, please contact the website administrator, report the error below. Count argument 1 value must be of the type countable. If we go back to here, home dashboard, global configuration, turn on debug and error reporting to maximum, save, go back to here and refresh. The problem is in the SimpleQuiz libraries. That's the file there. So it's not, I don't think it's the URL. Could be, I mean, that's what I was thinking with it being a 404. But it's a function. It's something to do with this. Maybe, I wonder what PHP we got happening here. Multi-PHP manager. J5 is running 8.1. Let's just try it on 8.2. Refresh, probably get a 503 error. The FASTU alert is pointing to the root, not the EN. Failure. Well, we could try this here. System, plugins, language, system language. I think it's language filter. Is it language code? I'm going to be careful because I've got this working with GP Translate and I need it as my base there. think it's language filter. I don't know. I don't want to fiddle with this language, this GP Translate setup I have on here, because it's the basis for a video I'm doing. You think it's the translation extension that's doing it? Let's see. Let's go to System, Manage Extensions, GPT, Disable. No, it's not that, because when I undo it, it's definitely this here. And we did see something before, so it's not that. So let me just put this back on while I'm thinking. Okay. Well, a couple things to ask him about. Okay, so I think that's everything for that. We'll just leave that as it is for now. But still, so I think pretty nice. Pretty nice extension. Some cool features on there. I think possibly one of the easily probably one of the best ways to put a quiz on a Joomla site without people logging in to try to track them and get them get their information or get them to participate. And yeah. All right, Ivers shared a video here, something that he made on the Dakota Plain. Oh, okay. Cool. Where was that? Where's Visby? Oh, here's a chance for me to fix something here. Settings. Output. Streaming, recording, audio. Let's see if this does it. I want to try and fix it so that I can put sound out, capture sound. And I changed that the last time. Let's see. Oh, there we go. I think you can hear that. Okay. Oh, you went for a flight in it, did you? Nice. Are you in this video? I guess you're behind the camera. That's a squishy little plane inside there. Very cool. That's really neat that you went for a flight in that. I guess you must have got the landing. Were you in a jump seat in the back there to get this, or you must be pretty close? Wow, that's great. Okay, well, when we last week, well, in the last couple of weeks on that Martin Mars bomber, they were offering people a chance to go just on low speed and high speed taxiing along Sproat Lake, which is where the plane was based. $5,000 to do that. And a guy that was listening to it in the live stream that was covering the event said he was kind of thinking about it, but he thought, he figured it wouldn't sell out too fast. And then like 2 days later, he found out that it had been sold out, so he missed his chance to go and do it. Just $5,000 just for taxing along. So that's, yeah, great. Well, everybody, thanks for your help as I looked at this today. I think it's a pretty neat little tool for putting quizzes on your site. I think probably a question bank would be the best addition. I think that could be on that. That would really be super good just to select them. And basically, you would just be selecting them and copying them to a quiz. But yeah, anyways, but of course that's the whole matrix of things too. All right, everybody, so thank you. Let me just get to the button here. Excuse me. All right, find the sad music here. All right, that's a wrap for today. Thank you, everyone. Appreciate your support of the channel. Oh, by the way, just to mention, I think maybe you saw. No, I'm the channel's over 5,000 subscribers now. So that was a fun milestone to reach. It's at 5,003 now. So I was going to put together a little YouTube short and put it out. Maybe I'll still do that. But anyways, that's you guys played a big role in that, so I thank you for that. All right, so as usual, I hope that wherever this finds you, excuse me, wherever this finds you, be it morning, evening, afternoon, or tomorrow, that you are well. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.